Hello, back to Retro Blogs Part 3, the reassembly of the NES. As you can see, we've changed rooms. This is my shitty old bedroom. And I have just finished putting in the black tray with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. And now what I need to do is fit this metal cover back on, and that just sits on top of everything, I should hope, like that. It goes right in there, it goes right in, pushes back, lining up all the little holes. Yep, and there should be my big batch of screws there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It should be 7, so let's count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. Okay, and they go in there. Screw that one in. If it will. Well, I'll screw it in that one instead then. Hopefully this is the last time I open up this, so I'll leave some of the screws like dead. Some of these screws I'm wearing out quite bad now. This one goes in that hole there. There we are. Screw that back in. There we are. Don't think that one will go in anymore, so okay, we're sticking out. That's quite a lot sticking out. Shouldn't stick out that much, but it shouldn't do anything really. One in this hole. Yep, there we go. One in the back. That one goes in that hole, just opposite it, there. So that now we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, this is the 5th one. Actually, it's quite awkward to hold the camera and screw these in. So like before, I'll catch you later. Okay, I've put that safely back on now. And now for the last thing, the plastic casing. What it does, sit on top, like that. There we go, we're on. Flip it over, and then put the 6 screws back in. And for some reason, I am left with 8 screws and I only need 6. So there's 2 screws somewhere where I ain't put back in. Just slot that in there. Just drop it in. screw it back into place. Oh, did it? That one went in really easily. 2. Three. Oh. There it is, in there. That's 3. Halfway there. One in that one. That'll do. One in this one. And the last one in here. There we go. So to review, we have disassembled, cleaned and reassembled the Nintendo Entertainment System. Join me in part 4 for the test